What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
I went ahead and set the tent up. Ta-da! And this how it looks. It's really as big in real life. That's what I gotta go in. I gotta go in. Let me go in. Let's do this. Let's go.
Let's go. Here's sticks. Color white. Huh? Sticks are color white up. Stick.
I said, what is instructions? What is instructions?
What's that? No, don't call no instructions.
How you gonna put it up?
Hello everybody, this is Nuckie Miami again. First off, I want to say that this tent was bought with my own money, guys. My own money. This is not a paid sponsored video at all. I'm just reviewing this video for people who want to know how this product look in real life and how big it is and whatnot. Because when I bought this product, you know, it was good pictures on Amazon about it, but it wasn't no videos and, you know what I'm saying, nothing like that to show you guys. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and set up this tent in front of you guys to show you how it look in real life and how many people can go inside of it. And you know, all the good stuff. And if it's any bad things about it, I'm going to go ahead and keep it real with you and also mention that to you in the video. But this tent comes from Amazon. I paid $19, guys. Yes, $20. It was free shipping, of course, because I had Amazon Prime. And it was a present for my daughter. She had just turned 6 and she wanted her a tent. So I was shopping on Walmart. I went everywhere looking for a nice tent. I wanted a tent that pop up because, you know, she could take it to the park. She could take it to her family house. She could take it on the beach, anywhere, you know. I wanted like a real nice tent that you could just like get up and go with it. So I came across this tent right here and it had really great reviews. And I say this is the tent right here. So here I go. I got the tent for my daughter. We're going to go ahead and set it up. And just like that, guys, let's get it popping. Inside the tent. I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit of footage of how I went ahead and installed it. So from my knowledge, it comes with no instructions at all. No instructions, okay? And yeah, so I put two and two together and figure out how to go ahead and do it. It's pretty easy if you have common sense. So I noticed that on the bottom of the tent, it have these little white things right here. See? It have them. And it have a total of 4. So it have 4 total of places where you put the sticks at, and it have 4 also places where you tie up the sticks to keep it in place, just like so. And yes, you could tie it in a knot or you could tie it in a bow, but just make sure you don't over tie it, that way it cannot come out. Okay, so I put that inside the bottom on all 4 of them, just like so. And guess what? We're going to go ahead and work on to the top. Now this top right here is like, everything is plastic, of course, and it's like good material. You know, it don't seem cheap at all. It's very nice. Get this tent put up, you have to come inside to do it. Yeah, that's my only catch, because it looks small on a picture of Amazon, things like that, but like I don't tell you how much I weigh, but I'm like, well, I'm 5'6" and I'm inside this tent without no problem, and it's comfortable for me. You see my legs folded up and things like that, and yeah, I'm great. I'm good to go and whatnot. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all these tents up.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million.
So I went ahead and fixed up the tent. Sorry for outside, guys. The noise is like, you know. I went ahead and set the tent up. Ta-da! And this is how it looks. So dope. I'm about to go in there and show you who people can go in there. A kid. Matter of fact, tell the people how old are you.
I'm 6 years old.
And I, none of your business.
And she's 10.
Oh, I'm 10, guys. So I got a 6-year-old, 10-year-old. You do the math. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that it really is big in real life. That's what I gotta go in. Let me go in. Queen.
Pickle.
Dustin, hi. So you got in there, you and Dada in the tent? Huh? Oh, a little cozy rosy up in there, don't it? Yay! Good to go.
We are a queen.
Yeah, like that hat, right? Queens, Brooklyn, Miami, we everywhere, huh? Hmm.
I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see the twin. I would still choose you. I don't.
Pretty mixed up. This shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder. There ain't no second chances.